Not sure where your WhatsApp backups went in Google Drive on your Android? Today I'll show you how to easily find them. Watch until the end, there's a helpful tip waiting for you. So first guys, open Google Drive on your device and afterwards go to the three-line menu right there. When this menu opens, go to the Backups section, simply tap on it. And here, look for WhatsApp and the list that is your backup. If you want to view or delete the backup, simply tap the three dots next to it to delete, or to view, just click on the name, and this will open all of the available data from the backup. Now you know exactly where to find your WhatsApp messages. Also, a quick tip, regularly check your WhatsApp backup settings to make sure all of your data stays up to date. Remember, if you delete a backup, your current WhatsApp data may be lost unless you have saved it beforehand. So if this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That motivates me to create even more helpful videos. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.